Once upon a time, our planet breathed free. Rivers flowed pure. Forests stood proud. Air whispered life. But then, we chose convenience over conscience. Today, over 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute across the world. Most of them end up choking the very earth we call home. And it's not just bottles. Plastic choking our oceans, clogging our lands, and leaching toxins into our soil. Plastic water tanks contribute over 300 tons of plastic waste every year in India alone, much of it non-recyclable and hazardous after disposal. But what if we choose better? What if we choose nature? Presenting Varuna's Precast RCC Water Tanks, a sustainable solution for a better tomorrow. No more plastic, no more pollution. Durable, eco-friendly, 100% reusable, built to protect your water and the world. This World Environment Day, say no to plastic water storage. Say yes to Varuna, because the earth needs you. Join our mission. Varuna is taking an initiative to plant a tree with each RCC tank installation in concept of each one plant 1:1 ratio. And every small choice can make a giant difference. Let's restore what we once had. With Varuna, for nature, forever. Eco-friendly, durable, zero plastic. Contact us today to switch to Varuna RCC Water Tanks. Visit www.varunaeco.com.